Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see top 5 interesting tips and tricks related on LinkedIn profile, and using these tips and tricks, you can boost your LinkedIn account. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start laptop screen. Demonstration. First of all, I will show you which point is important. You can use those points and boost your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, profile photo, headline, background photo, summary, experience, education and license and certification. So as a demonstration point of view, I select my profile, I add all information accordingly, the Coursera certification. So firstly, background pictures displaying here like profile picture, heading or background. So those 3 points are coming here. This is background, profile picture, and this is my heading, entire heading. It means this is a heading. Next point come here, summary and experience. So first of all, I will show you the summary of my. So about us, you need to add your entire summary, your experience, your expertise, your education, your certification, your voluntary work, your programming skill, your toolkit skill, familiar with the algorithm if you belong in computer science, programming language, framework. So I put it here, entire summary, very professional and nice way, so people can easily understand and how many expertise I have. Accordingly, they are decided. So this is a summary. So you can add summary like this and improve your LinkedIn profile. Next point come here as experience. So I put it here, each and every experience, very nice way. Currently I'm working here, company, year and experience point of view, I put it here. Look at this entire project related information, not entire but as a short form, how many what I'm doing there, the methods, implementation, programming language and database skills. So I accordingly I put it here. First of all, description and then some of the bullet points. I follow all experience of same things. First of all, description, then bullet points, experience, then bullet points. So this experience coming here one by one. That one is really help to boost your profile, and recruiter can reach your profile and send it to you message. After finish the experience, education point is coming here. So as an education point of view, I use last come first out. So here I am adding here postdoctoral research, and after that I added here PhD only. I'm not adding here MSc in bachelor degree or master's degree. That's it. Final is my PhD degree. So I am added here and explain here the project related information. Even I uploaded here my PhD degree also, so anyone can very easily justify I am really doctorate or not. And after that I put it here certification, bunch of certification I do using LinkedIn Learning only. But apart from that, if you have other certification, you can add those certification in license and certification point of view. Some of the project related information also I am adding here, how many project I deal with this, but currently I am just added one. If you deal multiple project in your education point of view, so you need to add here multiple project. After that I am put it here voluntary work, so you can choose or add voluntary related task as well here. The language or skill, publication, language and interest. So those are point you need to add proper way. After that you can very easily boost your LinkedIn profile, and people can very easily reach as a recruiter, and they are sending you a message if you are looking new job opportunity. So this is a simple and one of the best tips and tricks to boost your LinkedIn account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.